Hello. This is a guide on connecting the ugee S series product. We'll be using the dongle to connect it to a Windows computer. We take the S1060W as an example. It has 12 customizable shortcut keys on the front panel, a lanyard hole for your favorite ornament, a USB-C port, and a power button. And here are the accessories. A USB-C data cable, USB-C adapter, a micro USB adapter, and a dongle. If your computer has a USB port, plug the dongle into the USB socket. Press the power button for 3 seconds to activate. Now that your drawing tablet is connected to your computer, driver download. Click Download. Select the product. Download the driver based on your device's operating system. Driver installation. Driver settings. You can set the shortcut keys according to your needs. Click to customize shortcut keys. Assign a mouse control function. Assign a keyboard shortcut. Assign a device control function. Assign an application. Program your shortcut keys as illustrated. The selected icon represents system setup. Click plus icon to add common applications. Customize shortcuts per application for your preference. This function is to calibrate the ratio of the drawing tablet to the monitor, since everyone's computer monitor has different proportions. Those that are not calibrated for the work area may have slight distortion while drawing. Click Work Area. Click Tablet Proportion. You can find that the ratio has been adjusted. If you accidentally set the ratio to something else, you can click the Restore Default Settings button in the bottom right corner. Pen Settings. Click Pen Settings. Same as shortcut keys, you can customize pen keys to your favorite keys. Activate or disable mouse mode. Slide to 80th the cursor speed. Pen pressure settings. Move the slider toe, change the pressure sensitivity curve. Run a pressure test on the right box. Drive, unloading. Select apps. Enter ugee tablet. Select uninstall.